Have you ever dreamed of having something that you wanted so badly that you could almost feel it? If so, you are probably familiar with the concept of manifesting your desires. This is the idea that you can create your own reality through visualizing what you want and believing that it will come to you. Hello friends, welcome back to your own channel. In this video, we will explore the power of manifesting your desires through visualization and belief. We will explore the ideas and methods of an inspiring teacher, Neville Goddard, and how to effectively manifest your desires through thought power. By the end of this video, you should have a better understanding of the law of attraction and how to use it to manifest your dreams into reality. Friends, before jumping into the video, just remember one thing. Your support is what drives this channel forward, so make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Manifesting your desires is possible through the power of visualization, a technique taught by Neville Goddard. Visualization is just one of the many techniques available to help manifest what we want in life. There are other simpler techniques that can assist us in focusing on our goals and seeing ourselves already possessing them. Visualization is a powerful tool when it comes to manifesting what we desire. It's important to stay focused on our objectives and be firmly convinced that they will come true. Any negative thoughts surrounding our desired outcomes should be avoided as they hinder the manifestation process. We can make manifestation easier by creating a core story or dominant thought within ourselves that states what we want. Example, I always get what I want. Visualizing ourselves already having it and holding positive thoughts about it without much planning or taking too much time out of daily activities throughout the day. This will keep us constantly thinking about how things would look if they were fulfilled and give us an extra boost of energy when it comes to achieving them. Using visualization along with other tips such as setting intentions, using affirmations, understanding the law of attraction and law of assumption, as well as being persistent in believing that anything you desire can come true, will help you manifest whatever you seek in life. So don't forget, use visualization, set clear intentions for yourself, stay positive no matter what happens, believe that everything is possible, and watch your dreams come true. The power of positive thinking is often overlooked, but it can be an incredibly powerful tool for manifesting your desires. Your thoughts shape your reality, and by focusing on the positives instead of the negatives, you're more likely to achieve your goals and dreams. One way to focus on positive thoughts is through visualization and expressing your desires clearly and concisely. Visualizing what you want helps imprint it into your subconscious mind, allowing for more clarity of thought and a greater chance of achieving desired results. Neville Goddard, an influential philosopher, believed in the power of positive thinking and visualization for manifestation. He taught that with enough conviction or intention, anything is possible, regardless of time or place. This concept is known as the law of assumption. Through his teachings, he showed us how visualizing our dreams can make them come true. Additionally, using affirmations like I am statements can shift our mindset towards a more positive outlook on life and attract abundance. So never underestimate the power of positive thinking. Visualize what you want in life with faith and belief that anything is possible. Believe wholeheartedly in yourself, and whatever comes next will be even better than before. Manifesting desires through thought power is something that many people are eager to learn. It is a powerful technique that can be used to create the life of your dreams. Neville Goddard taught extensively about this concept and how it can be used to manifest what we want in our lives. The basic idea behind manifesting desires through thought power is that what we think about, we bring into our reality by emitting energy into the universe. Therefore, it is important to be aware of one's thoughts and focus on what they want, rather than what they don't desire. We often manifest things in our lives that were not explicitly desired due to believing in their possibility, which gives them power over us as a reality. To ensure positive outcomes, It is beneficial to make specific desires clear and visualize or state them out loud with faith. This aligns one with the universal energy needed for the manifestation of those wants and needs. Experimenting with different focusing methods can help discover what works best for each individual. Visualizing in great detail or simply stating intentions can both be effective ways of manifesting desires through thought power alone. The law of assumption, also sometimes understood as the law of attraction, states that whatever you believe will come true. So if you have positive thoughts about yourself and your future goals, then these will become realities. Utilizing Neville Goddard's teachings on manifestation through thought power can help individuals feel empowered in their ability to create whatever life they wish for themselves, all while having fun along the way. So go ahead. Try out some visualizations today and see where they take you. Are you looking for an inspiring teacher to help you manifest your desires? Look no further than Neville Goddard, a great teacher whose ideas and methods have inspired millions of people worldwide. In this section, we will explore some of his most powerful teachings on the power of belief, visualization, and intention. Goddard believed that we can create reality by using the power of positive thinking and visualizing our goals and dreams. He taught that it is possible to use the law of attraction to manifest our desires if we focus our thoughts on what we want instead of what we don't want. He also believed in the power of affirmations as a way to help us stay focused on our intentions. He taught that when it comes to manifestation, belief is key. If you don't believe that something is possible, then it won't happen for you. This means having faith in yourself and your abilities, even when faced with adversity or doubt from others. By having faith in yourself and believing in the power of manifestation, anything is possible. Friends, as we're not entering into the conclusive section of the video, let me summarize the key takeaways from this video. Manifesting your desires is possible through the power of visualization, belief, and intention. Neville Goddard taught that we can create our own reality by focusing on what we want instead of what we don't want and believing firmly that it will come true. By visualizing our goals, setting clear intentions, understanding the law of attraction and law of assumption, as well as being persistent in believing that anything you desire can come true, you can manifest whatever you seek in life. So don't forget to use visualization. Set clear intentions for yourself. Stay positive no matter what happens. Believe that everything is possible and watch your dreams come true. We hope this video has helped bring some light into your life by introducing you to Neville Goddard's ideas and methods for manifesting your dreams into reality using visualization and belief. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please do so now, so that you can stay updated on new videos about manifestation. Thank you for watching. Happy manifesting. God bless.